All right, everybody, here we go. We are back. Just wanted to show you a quick update a little bit later Monday afternoon. We got that Raptor liner on there. So as you can see, we got that sprayed, got that inner sprayed. Just so where you step on it, it's nice, it's even. I didn't want to put these back. The truck had these kind of like step things. They were double-sided taped onto the factory rockers. I didn't like them. Figure I had some of that black Raptor liner left. It's sprayed on there, you know, make it nice and clean. I'll show you the other side. It's funny, it takes an hour and a half to tape and prep and all that. It takes about 5 minutes to shoot it. So how I apply this stuff, I'll go over that real quick. Here it is right here. It comes in this bottle, and then it comes a hardener. So it's like what you call a 2K 2-pack, whatever lingo is. So you got your catalyst, then you got your hardener. So here's a hardener, and this stuff is, I mean, really easy to use. So basically, you take your hardener, boom, you pour it in the bottle. So the bottles come, let's say, filled to like at the bottom of the word Raptor there with the liner. You fill the hardener to this line, shake it up, and then there's a special gun. You buy the kits, they'll come with the gun. Here's the gun. So you basically just screw that bottle onto the bottom of the gun. I spray it at about 40 PSI. You can spray it higher, like higher you spray it, the finer it will come out. I did 40 on that. I wanted a little thicker, but when I spray the rest of the truck, I might experiment. I might try to go to a little bit higher to 60. Plus, I mean, when you're spraying at that kind of PSI, you got to be careful. Make sure your paper, your plastic, whatever your masking is, you want that stuff pretty secure. You don't want it blown out of the way. You don't want to spray that stuff into your interior, obviously, because whatever that stuff gets on, it's on there for life, man. Once it gets on there, it's not really coming off. Unless you get it off with some lacquer thinner right when it gets on there, you clean it off quick. If it dries, I mean, forget it. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I got that sprayed today. Hoping to get the fenders on today. Looks pretty even, looks pretty good. And this is just on the inside of this step on the rocker. That's all I'm doing, the black. The rest is gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna do the blue. And then on that body line from here up, it's gonna be the gray. It's gonna be a two-tone. Hope it's gonna look good. Thinking it's gonna look good. But yeah, I wanna give you guys a quick update. Here it is, Tuesday morning, working on Big Blue. So basically, so far this morning, got this fender in place. Had to do some trimming on the bottom. Not too bad, but I did not test fit this fender like I had the doors. So that rewinds back. If I had test fitted that fender, I would have seen in the bottom where I ended up having to trim a little bit in here. And this rocker was the one I had kind of fabricated. And I had to trim a little bit on the fender. Not much, but it was enough that it was not gonna. Test fitted that door, got it on there, got the fender on there, just got a couple bolts holding it, threw the back door on there. So recap, got that rhino lined inside. Actually looks pretty decent. Thinking about it now, I probably should have gone farther up, but I can buy this in the black rattle can, so I might just touch that up in there. That's not a big deal, just something I noticed. Today I'm gonna try to seal this thing up. That other door I'm gonna put on next. That door is gonna be a little bit more difficult just because the door is totally complete. Not that there's a lot of stuff in the door, but I'm gonna get that door on, get that side together. I got this door on, I got this door on, got this fender on. Gonna get the other side fender on. Gonna get all the batteries put back in, the battery trays, all that stuff. Get it sealed up so I can put it outside in case I gotta work on something else, whatever. It's been taking up the shop. We're on the 2-week deadline today. We are at it. This taking up this bay is getting to the point where it's just making my other work difficult. So sometimes you gotta take a step back to go forward, you know. So my next step is I'm gonna get this door on here, make sure it's shutting good. Then I'm gonna come up to this fender. Now this fender this side, I did not have to build out this rocker. This rocker, it's just a night and day, one side to the other. This rocker is in excellent shape here. I mean, this is solid. So I didn't have to touch this. I did the other side, and obviously I think I built it out a little bit too far, and that's what was causing some of my fitment issues. Next thing I'm gonna do is I do have to blast some paint in this frame over here. I think I did one coat. I think I did one coat of paint. I think I gotta do a second. So goal is blast the paint in this frame here, get that done. Get that back door on there on this side, get this front fender on. Once they're all on, all lined up, I'll tighten them down. Then I'll probably pull whatever I need to pull out of this door, whatever I need to pull out of the door, the quad door that I put outside for this door, the window, glass, all that. Try to get those all back together. I mean, door panels on, I mean, might as well just I'm gonna try to put the interior pretty much back together. Get the fenders back on, back together. Get it mobile, get the batteries in it, get everything hooked back up so I can move this thing. Once I can move it, you know, I think I gotta sit down. I made a list. I got a pretty detailed list on parts I need to get, what I need to order, go pick up what I need to get picked up, get everything ready. Check out Big Blue, look at Big Blue. Looking pretty good. Got the fenders on, got them bolted down. Lined them up pretty decent. It's not gonna be perfect. So got those on, got the doors on. Here, I'll show you this side. Gonna have to do something with that grill. The grill's peeling, looking kind of hit. I don't think I'm gonna put the chrome grill back on. I think I'm gonna get one that's painted or able to be painted, so it's like a flat black. I don't know, maybe I'll rhino line it. Maybe I'll two-tone rhino line it. That might be kind of cool. Maybe I'll do blue on the inside webbing there, and then I'll do the gray around it, or I'll just do it one color. Not really sure, but here's the other fender. There's obviously the back door is on, so hood is closed. Body lines are pretty decent. They're not perfect, and I'm not gonna really mess with it. There's not a ton of adjustment on this fender, really. So, I mean, it's gonna be what it's gonna be, but the hood's closed, looks good. The door gap looks pretty decent. For some reason, and it's really odd, everything on the passenger side on this truck has been, to me, exceedingly difficult. So the fender, lining it up, getting it bolted on the passenger side took a long time. The doors, messing with the doors, getting those lined up took a long time. Even the cab corner wasn't too bad, but the rocker panel on this side, pain in the butt. Didn't really fit right. I mean, like I've said a million times, it's a slip-on rocker, but even that still was not good. Now we go over to this driver's side, make our way around this truck here. Everything on this driver's side has gone on like perfect. I don't get it. The truck has never been in an accident. I personally know the only owner of this truck. Known him for a couple years now. I know the truck has never been in an accident. The only thing it ever had is that driver's door, for some reason, something happened to that driver's door. I don't know if it was starting to rust out and he was able to get a door at like almost free from a buddy of his that was working at Dodge. But it was not replaced because it was hit. It was never in an accident. But for some reason, this back door, the driver door, obviously, like I said, it had been on the truck for quite a while. But the back door, the cab corner, that rocker, and that front fender just went on so much easier. Just even the way the rocker fit, like this slip-on rocker, like if you look here, the gap that I have, I don't even want to show you the other side. Like that thing is tight. There is no body work. I have done zero body work on this gap, and I'm not even gonna do any. I'm just gonna blast it over with the rhino liner. I mean, if I really wanted to spend the time, I could fiberglass that in and make it seamless, but it just fit so perfect, so snug. And even the way, like, if you look, the way the door lines up to that rocker, you know, and I haven't really gone crazy adjusting these. I just kind of got them on, got them opening and closing. They're not hitting. My gaps look decent, so I don't really think there's much more adjustment to be done. I'm not going to go crazy. But for some reason, I don't know why, this driver's side just seems like the fender. This fender, let's say the other side took me, I had some messing like I had said in the other video. with that gap at the bottom because I had to fix that rocker down there. So that was a pain in the butt. But even besides doing that, the fender on the passenger side was just fighting me the whole way. This driver's side fender, I think I put it on in 20 minutes. Fender went right on. No headaches, no fighting. This side, everything I did on this side has fought me. It's weird. Don't get it. Not sure. Who knows, right? Mysteries of life. But here is Big Blue. Closest he's been to being back together in the last week. Next step, there is a dinger on the hood there. And I want to say that comes from, so I'm going to have to hit that down, body work that, get that decent. Of course, it's right in the body line. Of course it is. That's not a big deal. So I'm going to do that. Got to fix that up. And I think there's a chip. Yeah, right over here, there's a chip. So I got to take that down, get a little primer on that, get a little Bondo and body work in on that. But the hood is not bad. So really for body work, it's that ding on the hood, that little chip right. But as far as big body work, man, I mean, we are done. And I can't tell you how happy I am with being done with the body work. Body work is not my main profession. It's something I've been taking on the last couple. I really got into doing serious body work, and I've just been learning, really self-taught. I've taken on some big jobs. This truck here, I did a video on this truck yesterday. I'm gonna get it posted up. You know, I was pretty proficient at what I was doing body work wise when I did this truck, but still, I learned on this truck. I wanted to show you guys before I head out for the afternoon. We got Big Blue pretty sealed up. So next step, fully assemble, well, not fully, but I'm gonna put the glass in the driver's door, gonna get it working, gonna get the door panel in. Well, maybe not the door panel, but at least get the glass in, get the switch hooked up, get it so I can put the glass up and down. I'm gonna put this door totally together. I'm gonna put the glass in it, cause, oh, like part of me wants to put the glass in it, but then I gotta tape that off, but I'm gonna have to tape it anyway when I rhino line it, but maybe I'll just tape it and just put some plastic in it for now. But I want to be able to put the truck outside, and I don't want to worry about like, oh crap, it's raining, and not realize and have the truck getting flooded with water. Hopefully by the end of the day, I'll get everything under the hood all straightened out, get the batteries in it, you know, get the window in it, get the regulator in it, all that stuff, and then be able to at least move this thing when I need to. But yeah, that's it. I'll get back with you guys. Thanks.